In this video, I will show how to create Pinterest board. I will show a few ways to do so. Firstly, you need to log into your Pinterest account. One way of creating board is pressing Create on left top. Now adding any image or video. Now press on Board drop-down, and you can see Create Board. Press on it. Type name of your board and click Create button. And now you have new board and can choose it for this post. Another and better ways of creating board is going to your profile by clicking on your profile image on top right. In your profile on right middle there are plus sign. Click on it and select board. Now we have same board creation pop-up. Just type name and press create. You can add some suggested images to your board and press save. Now board is created. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.